Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, now that you have been warned, we're going to open an item. So today's item is this lovely, cute little package that says size does matter. As you're watching this, I would love to hear your comments as to what you think might be inside this package. I'm going to pull the Christmas kid thing, and I'm going to be like, it's pretty rigid. It's kind of square. I'm a quilter. I'm going to think it's a ruler, but let's go ahead and open it together and see what's inside. And by the way, I know what's inside. Okay, so this one is really cool. So this is an acrylic ruler from a company called Feral Notions. Feral Notions does a lot of custom acrylic work on rulers. And this one is super special for the Cotton Cuts enthusiasts because she actually engraved our Cotton Cuts name right there into the ruler. So not only is it shiny, not only is it fun, this I love because we were able to get our name on it. So that way, every time you use this and you need to cut your 4.5-inch squares, you will think of how cool the ruler is and how cool Cotton Cuts is. Definitely hit up Feral Notions. She has a lot of fantastic, very cool acrylic products. She does a lot of long rulers as well as a lot of interesting shapes. Check her out when you get a chance. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our puzzle mystery quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.